State Gauss's law for magnetism. Explain its significance. Is that total flux associated with a closed surface is always zero. Total flux associated with closed surface is always zero. Mathematically, it can be represented by the form B dot ds equal to 0. Its significance is that monopoles do not exist. As a result, net flux link with the body is 0. Now, 4 important properties of magnetic field lines are that field is tangent to magnetic field line. Field strength is directly proportional to line density. Field lines cannot cross. Field lines are continuous loops. Now, points or differences between para, dia, and ferro. So here is diamagnetic, here is paramagnetic, and here is ferromagnetic. So in diamagnetic materials, there is no permanent magnetic moment. In paramagnetic material, there is permanent magnetic moment. In ferromagnetic material, it has a great amount of or more magnetic moment. Here in diamagnetic material, permeability is very less. In paramagnetic, it has high permeability. Ferromagnetic permeability is very high. Relative permeability is less than 1 for diamagnetic materials. For paramagnetic materials, relative permeability is greater than 1. And for ferromagnetic materials, it is a lot greater than 1. Examples of diamagnetic materials are silver and lead. For paramagnetic materials, gold and copper. For ferromagnetic materials, nickel and cobalt.